my channel. If you're new, my name is Dani, and today I am here with part 2 of my collaboration with Ulta Beauty to bring to you guys a monthly Skin-Fatuation trend. So for the month of February, we discussed masking and the benefits of masking. And side note, congratulations to Marsha, who was the giveaway winner for that month. So if you guys are unfamiliar, I've partnered up with Ulta Beauty to bring you guys a monthly skincare trend. Last month, we talked about masking. This month, we're gonna talk about beauty oils or facial oils. And facial oils are kind of a hidden gem, but I feel like they could be a little bit intimidating because we hear oil and we think one of two things, right? The first thing is ill, oily, greasy, sticky. My pillowcase, it's gonna get in my hair. Will that even absorb? It's gonna make me break out. For sure, it's gonna clog my pores. That's our first thought. And then the second thought, we go to Instagram and we see all those Instagram videos of girls dripping oil down their face and then using their beauty blenders to put in, like to blend in this like gold shimmery looking, very luminescent oil. Totally not what we're talking about here, you guys. So today I'm gonna share with you guys Ulta Beauty's top 5 picks of facial oils, but you're probably wondering, oh Dani, you have your facial oils sitting in front of you. Why do you have those other facial oils sitting behind you? Because every Skin-Fatuation video every month is also going to be a giveaway of the same products. So I'm gonna share with you guys Ulta's picks, and you will also get to enjoy these picks on your own if you are the giveaway winner. So if you're interested in entering, there will be a link in the description box below that will allow you to enter so that you guys can give these facial oils a beautiful and loving home. So let's go ahead and get started. So before we get into the 5 picks, let's talk about facial oils. So I think a common misconception is that facial oils will make our skin extra oily or extra greasy. What it does is it supplements any sort of excess oiliness that your skin has, and it gives you the added benefits of whatever is in that facial oil. So it's not gonna make your skin extra greasy, it will take the place of whatever natural oils you already have on the surface of your skin. And the second part, and the best part about a facial oil, is it supplements or it replaces a moisturizer. Not a sunscreen, just a moisturizer. And so because it is an oil, and most oils tend to loosen up with the warmth of skin or just the warmer temperature, you're not going to use as much product as you think you would. So a couple of drops go a really long way. So if you guys are someone that is all about that skincare life and you want to add just that extra boost of hydration and also incorporate a lot of really natural, healthier type products like vitamins, nutrients that are going to enrich your skin, boost it in radiance, provide anti-aging benefits, then maybe facial oils are your way to go. Okay, so there is a superstar among these 5 facial oils, and that is a new product from Murad called the Multivitamin Infusion Oil. This oil has 6 key vitamins that are going to do everything you need them to do, or anything that you expect a serum or moisturizer to do. So what does it do? It is a brightening oil, it is an anti-aging oil, it's also going to help fight free radicals, and it's also going to be that extra boost of intense hydration that your face really, really needs, especially right now when we're transitioning between winter and spring. So this Murad Multivitamin Infusion Oil does have vitamins A through F. Now it's important not to forget that just because you're using a facial oil doesn't mean you don't need to use a sunscreen. Some facial oils are better to be used at night. Other facial oils are good for both times of the day, and others are better for during the day. We're gonna get into that with each of these oils. This one is good for day and night, but make sure that you do use a sunscreen if you are using it in the morning. So we talked about the superstar. This one's gonna be the saving grace of the 5 facial oils. This is the Julep Boost Your Radiance Reparative Rose Hip Seed Facial Oil. This one is a really good one because it's gonna help fight the signs of aging. It's going to remove any sort of hyperpigmentation or scarring that you have on your skin, reduce the signs of aging, all while moisturizing your skin and regulating the amount of oil that your skin is producing. So this one's pretty cool because if you guys battle with any sort of like hyperpigmentation, like say melasma, you're fighting the signs of aging, your freckles have gotten darker because you're in the sun a lot, this is gonna be a reparative facial oil. So not only will it keep you youthful and glowing and radiant, it's also going to reverse the signs of aging and help fight any sort of hyperpigmentation or any scarring that you have on your face. Of the 5 oils that I'm going to show you, this one has the best dispenser or container or dropper, because it does have sort of like a stopper, almost like a mascara. So it's not going to make it that easy for you to spill this oil if you were to knock it over. The opening is a lot smaller than any of the other ones. Plus this one, oh, this one smells so good. Now, if you have sensitive skin, or if you have acne prone skin, or you're dealing with those annoying breakouts, there is a facial oil from the Body Shop, and this is the tea tree oil. This is a soothing oil, but this is also good for those of you that have maybe that like once a month hormonal breakout, or if you get that one inhabitant on your skin that is not letting you live your life. This is one of those really cool products where you can take just a drop of it, like on a cotton bud or a little piece of cotton, and you just apply that one drop to wherever you have a blemish. I'm gonna pretend I don't actually have a blemish here, but I have like 7. And so this is a really good spot treatment. If you are someone that suffers from extremely dry skin, or you tend to prefer all natural organic products, there is one from the brand called Botanics, and this is the Botanics 100% organic nourishing facial oil. Okay, so this one is very, very interesting. This is an oil that is going to lock in moisture, and it's not going to let your skin dry out at all. This is the most hydrating of the 5 that we're going to be talking about today. So if you suffer from dry skin, this is the route that you want to go. Not only that, but it also has rosehip oil, and it also has fatty acids or omegas that are basically going to give your face an entire delicious meal and provide it with extreme hydration, essential fatty acids. It's going to give you a radiant glow. It also has anti-aging properties, but because it is such a hydrating oil, if you have normal to oily skin, this is a great nighttime facial oil. If you have dry skin, it is a great day and night facial oil. And the final facial oil is from DermaE, and this is the Radiant Glow Face Oil with jojoba, argan, and sea buckthorn oils. This is actually a collaboration with another vlogger named Sunkiss Alba. She did this collaboration oil that is eco-ethical. What does that mean? This is one of those products that is cruelty-free, soy-free, gluten-free, GMO-free, recyclable. It's great for the environment. I mean, it's one of those products that is good for everyone that has to deal with it, comes into contact with it, purchases it, has to dispose of it. It's a friendly product. Not only that, but it's also going to boost your radiance. It's going to maintain your skin hydrated. This is a very generous size. It comes with 2 full ounces, so it's going to last you a very long time. And the other cool thing about this one is it doesn't smell like anything. It has absolutely 0 scent to it, so if you are more sensitive or don't prefer your skincare to have any sort of scent or aroma, this is gonna be your route to go. Now let me give you guys a little secret. Sometimes when I use a facial oil at night, I do have some left over, and I find that because these are oils that go on your face, they're a lot higher quality, they are better for the skin, they are full of really rich, great ingredients. So if I ever have a lot left over, which you guys know I do everything in excess, I take that excess and I'll either put it on my elbows, on my knees, or I'll put the rest of it into the ends of my hair, and it really keeps my hair nice and healthy and soft. So if you guys are skin fanatics like me and Ulta Beauty, and you are interested in trying out these products, I will leave a link in the description box below that will take you to a page that will feature all of these facial oils. If you guys have tried facial oils before, let us know in the comments which is your favorite. Also, don't forget that this video is an amazing, generous giveaway from Ulta Beauty, so thank you so much for that, and good luck to you if you decide to enter. But other than that, you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys.